Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, welcome again to our next session of PLC practice. In this session, I will give the solution for the question number 11. I have shown you this question in my last session. So let's see the question. Okay, so this is the question number 11. There are 4 inputs A, B, C, D. When any one input gets on, no output gets on. Any 2 inputs gets on, only output A gets on. Any 3 inputs gets on, only output B gets on. All 4 inputs gets on, only output C gets on. So this is our question number 11. So let's go for the solution. I hope you have tried a lot and let's see the answer. Okay, so we'll start with this, and first of all we will start with the first part. There are 4 inputs A, B, C, D. When any one input gets on, no output gets on. So for any one input, no output should get on. For any 2 inputs, only output A gets on. For any 2 inputs, you can see the question number 10. Question number 10 is a little bit same, but question number 9. Yes, question number 10 is a little bit same. Any 2 input gets on, output A gets on. Here you can see there is a word that is specified is only output A gets on in question number 11. In question number 10, it is written output A gets on. So the first part up to any 2 inputs on output A gets on is same for question 10 and question number 11, because we are not output B is not getting on till any 2 input gets on. So let's start with the solution. Okay, so first of all we have to make the pairs for any 2 inputs. Which 2 inputs will get on so that output A gets on? So to make a pair, let's go to notepad. I will show you. There are 4 inputs. Okay, let A, B, C, D. Okay, there are 4 inputs. So if any 2 inputs gets on, so any 2 inputs, which 2 inputs? Let's make the pair. If A and B gets on, and B, A and B, first pair, let's write it here. It is the first pair, could be A and B. Okay, second pair, or okay, second pair could be A and B, A and C. Okay, A and C, it could be any 2 inputs, or third pair AB, AC, AD, A and D. Okay, and fourth pair will be B and C, or fifth pair will be B and D. Okay, now sixth pair could be C and D. Okay, so these are the 6 pairs. If any 2 input gets on, any 2 could be A and B, or A and C, or A and D or B and C or B and D or C and D. So these are the 6 pairs. So we will make a program for this. Okay, let's go to program A and B. Okay, so let's write addressing I1 column 0 dot 0 slash 0. So you know the addressing now. Let's increase the size so you can see clearly. If A and B, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1. Okay, so let's give the name also. Edit description, I can write it A. Okay, and B. A and B gets on, then or, so I will make it take a parallel. Okay, I can take A as a common. Okay, then I will take AC, A and C, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2. So it will be, take a name C, AC. Okay, and now AD. So here you can see I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash, it will be 3. So I will name it D. Okay, so AB, AC or AD. Okay, these are the 3 pairs. If these 3 gets on, output gets on. And now next pair is you can see AB, AC, AD, then BC, BD. Okay, so I will take BC, BD. Okay, so I will take a parallel from here and I will join it here. Okay, I will take B, BC. Okay, I will give addressing I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1. This is B, and this is I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2. This is C. BC and BD. I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3. BD. Okay, now the last pair is CD. So I will take parallel here and I will attach it here. I will take 2 inputs, CD I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2, C I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3, D. Output gets on O0 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0. So I will name it first output. Okay, so this is the our, I think first part is over. I will check the question. There are 4 inputs ABCD. When any one input gets on, no output gets on. You can check if any one get on, output gets on, no output gets on. Okay, I will just download the program. It is same up to here, it is same like question number 10th. Okay, so there is no much change in this. See, if you will switch on any one input, okay, just a minute. See, if you will switch on A, no output gets on. Separately, if individually, if you switch on any one input, no output gets on. Okay, because you are taking 2 inputs in series, so one input cannot switch on the circuit. So let's try with the 2 inputs. Okay, if any 2, A, B, if A, B gets on, output A, output first output gets on. Okay, then let's start with the AC. Check with the AC. I will do it fast. Okay, now output getting on. Okay, check with the D. Okay, so output is getting on. We'll check. Now I will switch off this input. I will then check with B and C. Okay, output gets on. BD output gets on. And now CD. C D. Okay, you can check the output is getting on. Okay, so up to here our answer is correct, but now we have to add on circuit for any 3. Okay, I will just check the question. The question is, now we have done the 2 parts, NE1 and NE2. Now we'll go to NE3. When any 3 input gets on, only output B gets on. It means output A should get off. Okay, so let's make a pairs. Okay, if any 3 inputs gets on, now what happens? What is the pair? Simple, A and B and C. Okay, or second, A and C and A, B, C, A, B, D. Okay, B and D. Okay, or A and C and D. Okay, now last pair could be fourth, A, sorry, not should be A, B and C and D, ABC, ABD, ACD and BCD. So this could be 4 possible pairs for any 3 inputs. So I will make a program now. Okay, let's go to the software. Okay, now on next run we will make a program for this any 3. Okay, let's start addressing I1 colon 0.0 slash 0, this is A. Now I1 colon 0.0 slash 1, it is B. I1 colon 0.0 slash 2, C. Okay, A, B, C. Now A, B, C. Next is A, B, D. So AB is common, so I will not repeat AB. I will just take a parallel. Okay, you can make this in 4 rungs also. Okay, I1 colon 0.0 slash 3. Okay, to make it simpler, you can repeat AB also. In second, you can take a parallel to ABC and you can repeat AB and make simple ABD. Okay, so that if you want to see that, you can check the question number 10 how to do that. Sorry, question number 10 also. So I have explained that, so I will not get into it in this video. Okay, now ABC, ABD, then is next pair is ACD and BCD. In ACD and BCD, let's start. Take parallel again. Here I will start ACD, BCD. So BC is common, so I will take first, let's make it ACD. Okay, ACD. Okay, so I1 colon 0.0 slash 0, this is A. I1 colon 0.0 slash 2, C. I1 colon 0.0 slash 3, ACD. Okay, and for BCD, CD is common, so I will not repeat CD. I will take parallel, B parallel to A. So I1 colon 0.0 slash 1, so this is BCD. Okay, and take a output, that is output number 2, O0 colon 0.0 slash 1. Okay, it is 2. So okay, let's check. This is 0, this is 1. Let's make it little smaller and compile this program. Now for this program, in this program, if I'll run this program, this will not satisfy our condition for any 3 inputs gets on, only output B gets on. You can check. I have, this is input A gets on, input B gets on, any 2 gets on, output, first output gets on. Okay, when any 3 gets on, C, output B is getting on but output A is not getting off. So I haven't included that circuit in this program, so I have to include that circuit. Okay, I'm just checking this to show you this is not working. Okay, so let's go offline and make a program to make this output off. Okay, to make this output off, output number 1, what should I do? When A, B gets on, A, B is same, and C gets on, output, second output gets off. Oh sorry, second output gets on. It means output 1 should get off when this input C gets on. So I will take NC of this here. I will take a NC circuit of input C, I1 colon 0.0/2. Why I have taken this NC? Because when I will switch on this NO in rung first, rung second rung, when I will switch on A, B and C, when this C will gets on, then above NC of the same C will cut the circuit for output first. So output first will gets off and output second gets on, because in program you can check the program, only output B gets on. So we don't want output A to remain on with output B. So I will take NC of this, but when I will go for circuit ABD, okay, see, you can see, just a minute, this is A, B and D. When you go for ABD, again this circuit will work, this circuit will make this output on. So I have to take another NC in series, that will be of D, I1 colon 0.0/3. So now when A, B, C gets on, then also output 1 will remain off. When A, B, D gets on, output 1 will remain off. So for we have to make this, we have to add these NCs for every circuits, so that whenever any 3 input gets on, output first should remain off. Okay, so what I will do, simple, I will just add on these NCs. Okay, this is A, B. So with A, B, what is left is CD. So I will take NC of CD. With A, C, what is left is B and D. So I will take NCs of BD. Okay, so I'll write addressing of BD, I1 colon 0.0/B is first. Okay, B, and I1 colon 0.0/3 D. Okay, and with AD, what is left is BC. So I will take NC of BC here, I1 colon 0.0/B is 1, and C is I1 colon 0.0/2. Okay, so this is done. Now for BC, I will take NCs of A and D. Okay, I1 colon 0.0/0, A and D, I1 colon 0.0/3. Okay, now for BD, I will include NCs of I1 colon 0.0/0, A and C, I1 colon 0.0/ it would be 2. Okay, and last I will including NCs of A and B. Okay, so I1 colon 0.0/0 and I1 0.0/1. Okay, so I will just check whether it's working or not. Okay, let's download the program and check it. Okay, now when any 2 inputs gets on, let's check from that. Okay, A and B gets on, see, first output gets on. Okay, any 2, you can check with any 2. Okay, AC, output is getting on, only output A is getting on. Okay, only output first are getting on, and you can check with the D, C. Okay, now for B and C, it's working, so there is no problem in this circuit. With D also it's working. Okay, now I will check with CD also. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, now I will check with any three inputs. Okay, A, B, any two output A gets on. Okay, but as you press C, output B gets on, output A gets on, off. Okay, so you can check with every pair. Okay, for D, C, A, B, output A gets on, but as soon as you press the D, because here you have used NC of D, so it cuts the circuit. Okay, now switch off this pair. Okay, now you can check with the C and D. Okay, this you can see it's getting on. Okay, now you have to check with the B. Okay, just switch off this A and switch on this B. You can see. Okay, so this circuit is working for us. Okay, so now I have to go for the last part. Okay, just a minute, let's switch off this. Okay, so the last part of the question is, when all four inputs gets on, only output C gets on. So for all four inputs we don't have to make any pairs, because or for all fours we can check it. It's simple. Okay, so you have to addressing of I1 colon 0.0/0 is A, I1 colon 0.0/1 B, I1 colon 0.0/2 C, and I1 colon 0.0/3 D, and O0 colon 0.0/2. It could be 3. Okay, so simple. Okay, now but when you will press this D, you also have to take NC of this D in above circuit. Okay, so I have to take NC of here, I have to take NC, you have to include NC, so that whenever the fourth input will gets on, output B should gets off. Okay, so in this circuit A, B, C, so D is missing, I will take NC of D, I1 colon 0.0/D. Okay, and here I will take NC of C 0.0/. In this I will take NC of B, because B is missing, and this I will take NC of A 1 colon 0.0/0. I hope you are getting my point why I am taking NC, so that whenever the fourth input of the last rung will gets on, the output B should gets off. Okay, so you can check. Now I will directly check with the fourth point, because I have checked earlier with the last point. See, when any three input gets on, okay, let A, C and D, okay, output is getting on. Okay, second output is getting on. Okay, when you will press this fourth input gets on, output, last output gets on, output B gets off. Okay, so this is how you can make this program, okay, for this question. I have another solution for this. I will show you. That is little easy one, okay. You may find it little easy than this, okay. So just a minute, I will show you the solution for that also. For that we have to remove these NCs, okay. I will remove these NCs, so you don't need to add on these NCs, okay. Just a minute, okay. Rest question will remain the same. This part, this much part will remain the same. What you have to do is you can use the NCs of these outputs also, okay. So what I will do is I will take NC of output number 2, O0 colon 0.0/1, okay. When this output will get on, this output will switch off this output, okay. And you also have to take NC of the last output, because when the last output will get on, it will switch off output 2, so it can switch on output 1. So I have to take NC of this also, O0 colon 0.0/2, okay. And here you have to take NC of last output, O0 colon 0.0/2, okay. So this is little bit very much simple, I think so. So you can check on this solution. Okay, let's check. When any one input gets on, nothing gets off on, no output gets on. When any two input gets on, output A gets on, okay. When any three input gets on, let's D, okay. C, output A gets off, output B gets on. As soon as output B gets on, is NC cuts off this circuit, and when the last input gets on, C, it gets off, and even output A also gets off. So for it means for only one output gets on, okay. So our solution is that we have to make any one output gets off on, so that is accomplished, okay. So this is the solution. I hope you like this video. So this is the last part of this session of PLC practice. From next class I will start the push buttons, or you can say the latching and latching. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching and keep liking also. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much.